Today we're taking an epic 4-day road trip of sorts in the Grumman Tiger. First stop, we're headed to Phoenix, Arizona to film a concert for our friends' rock band. After that, we head up to a private airstrip in beautiful Monument Valley, Utah. And then to top it all off, we have an unforgettable flight over the Grand Canyon.
It's really windy today, and there's nobody out flying. We're like the only ones stupid enough to fly today. Not true, but it is windy. It's gonna be bumpy today. And there's also a lot of butterflies all over Los Angeles right now, so unfortunately, I think hitting some with my propeller right now.
And Audiovent Tower, Grumman 244 Echo Romeo, holding short at 30, ready for departure.
Turn 344 Echo Romeo, Audiovent Tower, rise here, right down with departure over the Hanson Dam, at below 2,500, runway 30, clear, take off.
Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, VFR climb is approved to 9,500.
Cleared to 9,504, command.
We're about an hour and 10 minutes into the flight. Currently flying over the California desert, 9,500 feet. So the winds were definitely a little gnarly leaving Whiteman, but actually the further east we went, they definitely got a lot less bumpy. So right now in the desert, I don't want to curse it, but it's pretty smooth. We do have a headwind, 15 and 20 knots, so it slows down the trip by about 20 to 30 minutes to get to Phoenix. So the show tonight, I'm shooting with the camera. Carla's going to be the second camera. I've got my GoPro, actually, this GoPro here. We're going to set that up and film the band as well. And if you don't know Audiovent, you should check them out. They're a band from the 90s.
All of them. Let's listen to a little bit of the music.
Okay, so we're 10 minutes away from landing at Phoenix. We're going into Stellar Airport. The runways are north-south facing. They don't report the weather at Stellar, but at the airport not too far away from it, they're reporting basically a crosswind of 14 knots. So get to brush up on my crosswind landing skills.
Stellar traffic, Grumman, clear of the runway, going to transient.
We're called Audiovent. We're very happy to be here tonight. Yeah.
Phase 1 of the trip is done. The concert was awesome. Had a good time. Carla's in there sitting in the plane. We're about to fuel up and head up to Monument Valley.
Are you ready, baby?
I am ready. By the way, the Audiovent concert was amazing.
Audiovent was amazing.
White blue Grumman taking runway 17.
Airspeed alive. 60. Rotate.
Every now and then I think about you, and it breaks me out of you and into me. I make it, 'cause I'm not done to do.
Peak 76, change line frequency 135.35.
All right, guys, we are starting the descent into Monument Valley. Should be a pretty cool approach.
And Monument Valley traffic, White Blue Grumman, about 4 miles to the south. We'll be landing on 16.
Alright, the airport should be right behind this rock. There it is.
Monument Valley, White Blue Grumman, right base 16. Turn and final for 16, Monument Valley.
The private airstrip at Monument Valley sits at 5,200 feet and is 3,800 feet long. Because the runway slopes uphill into a huge rock wall, it's one way in and one way out, with no go-rounds once you commit to a landing.
You got it!
I didn't exactly hit the center line, but hey, I'll take it.
Oh my god, it was super narrow.
Yeah, narrow, but also
Without like sign.
just comes in quick. And because it's going uphill,
Yeah.
that was a weird approach. I landed pretty flat. I think we're staying in one of those. So welcome to Monument Valley. I have to say this is probably one of the most epic approaches I've done.
The beautiful desolation of the area is only matched by its rich history and mystic energy. The next morning, we met up with a Navajo guide to explore the area's landscape and learn more about Navajo culture. So we just finished up amazing 2 days at Monument Valley. Just Carlin back. I've got the hat to prove it. So we're about to take off from here and head over to Page, Arizona. It's about 30 minutes west of here for a quick stop, get some gas.
Monument Valley traffic, White Blue Grumman departing runway 34. We'll be departing to the northwest Monument Valley.
Goodbye, Monument Valley. So we're flying along. We're coming up to Lake Powell, and we're just going to kind of cruise along the shoreline of Lake Powell. Hopefully, we'll see the Rainbow Bridge from the air, which is I believe the longest land bridge in the world. And over here on the left, we've got Navajo Mountain, 10,346 feet.
Member 224 Echo Romeo, squawk 0641. I do have your radar contact. Okay, 0641 for 244 Echo Romeo.
So before doing this flight, I had marked on my map the approximate location of the Rainbow Bridge. Marking it on a map and finding it from 5,000 feet above are two very different things.
All right, Rainbow Bridge. Oh, there it is, I think. See that little arch? I think that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it. Rainbow Bridge is in that little crack there.
I see it. There's this one.
I don't see the hole right now. Here, I'm gonna swing around. I want to look at it from this angle.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, there it is. Now I see it better.
Whoa.
Can you imagine flying through that thing?
No, that's so narrow.
Yeah. Wait, is there a hole there? I don't see the hole.
Oh no, there's no hole. That was not that one.
Where is it?
But it looked like.
Oh, I see it. There.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Wait, is that a hole? I can't tell.
I don't see it anymore.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure if I saw it. I thought like twice that I did, but...
No.
And then I didn't.
Page traffic, White Blue Grumman 4 miles to the east, descending, entering 45 for right traffic for 33 page. Okay, page traffic, White Blue Grumman turning final, 33 page. Page traffic, White Blue Grumman, exiting the runway, going to Classic Aviation.
Hey, Grumman, this is Classic in the fuel truck in front of you. Follow me and I'll get you parked.
Yeah, you got it, following you.
That's good service. You just follow the fuel
Yeah,
truck.
that's amazing.
Dummy proof for people like me.
Professional.
Doing great. We just had some lunch in Page, Arizona. A little ice cream to wash it all down. How's the ice cream, baby?
It's not that bad.
That means it's not that good.
Page, Arizona. Well, we didn't see much of it, but had some lunch and ice cream.
Yeah.
The desert environment around Page quickly gave way to higher elevations and snowy landscapes. Ever since I became a pilot, there was always one place that I'd always dreamt of flying over in a small airplane.
Well, it was a nice trip. Rock and roll in Phoenix, Navajo experience,
Navajos in Monument Valley.
and great landscapes.
All in 3 days.
Whiteman Tower, Grumman 244, Echo Romeo, Newhall Pass with Juliet.
Grumman 244, Echo Romeo, Whiteman Tower, mix 3 and Romeo 12, reported 3 mile 5 mile.
Straight in 12, report 3 mile, 4 Echo Romeo.
Grumman 4 Echo Romeo, runway 12, clear man.
Clear to land 12, 4 Echo Romeo.
Here. Alright.
Alright.
Shut her down.